Pizza is a universally beloved dish, known for its irresistible combination of crispy, chewy crust, savory sauce, melted cheese, and delicious toppings. The warm, melted cheese and tangy tomato sauce contrast perfectly with the crunchy crust, creating a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. Whether you prefer a classic margherita, a spicy pepperoni, or a veggie-packed pie, pizza has something to offer everyone. And with endless topping options, the possibilities for customization are endless, making it a perfect food for any occasion. Whether enjoyed in a bustling pizzeria with friends, or in the comfort of your own home, pizza is a delicious and satisfying meal that never fails to please. It's no wonder why it has become one of the most popular foods in the world. To make a delicious brick oven pizza, follow these steps. Prepare the dough. Mix together flour, yeast, salt, and water to form a smooth and elastic dough. Let it rest and rise for at least 2 hours. Preheat the oven. Heat the brick oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit 260 degrees Celsius or higher for at least 30 minutes to an hour before baking. Stretch the dough. Stretch the dough into a round or rectangular shape, leaving a slight rim around the edge. Top the pizza. Add your desired toppings, such as sauce, cheese, and toppings of your choice, being mindful not to overload the pizza. Bake. Place the pizza on a pizza peel and slide it onto the hot brick oven surface. Bake for 2 to 4 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Serve. Take the pizza out of the oven, slice, and serve immediately. Enjoy! Brick oven pizza is a type of pizza that is cooked in a wood-fired oven made of bricks. The high heat generated by the burning wood creates a crispy and chewy crust, and the smoke from the fire imparts a smoky flavor to the pizza. The toppings are often simple and traditional, allowing the flavors of the crust and cheese to shine. Brick oven pizza is widely considered to be some of the best and most delicious pizza due to its unique cooking method and the quality of ingredients used. Brick oven pizzas are made with high-quality ingredients, including freshly made dough, flavorful sauces, and premium cheeses. The high temperature of the oven, typically around 700 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly bakes the pizza to perfection in just a few minutes. The intense heat results in a crispy crust with a slightly charred flavor and a tender interior. The toppings on a brick oven pizza are typically arranged sparingly to avoid overloading the thin crust, but they are carefully selected to complement the flavors of the crust and cheese. Some popular toppings include fresh mozzarella, basil, tomatoes, and cured meats like prosciutto or pepperoni. Overall, brick oven pizza is a gourmet experience that combines the art of pizza making with the power of fire to create a truly delicious meal. There are many famous flavors of brick oven pizza. Here are some of the most popular ones. Margherita, a classic flavor that features a tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, basil, and extra virgin olive oil. Pepperoni's a classic American-style pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni slices. Barbecue chicken, a sweet and tangy pizza topped with barbecue sauce, chicken, red onions, and mozzarella cheese. For cheese, a creamy pizza with a blend of mozzarella, Parmesan, Fontina, and Gorgonzola cheeses. Mushroom, a pizza with a variety of mushrooms, garlic, mozzarella cheese, and thyme. Sausage and pepper, a spicy pizza with Italian sausage, bell peppers, onions, and mozzarella cheese. Clam, a seafood pizza with fresh clams, garlic, olive oil, and mozzarella cheese. These are just a few examples, and the possibilities for brick oven pizza flavors are endless. Enjoy! Please subscribe this channel to get all upcoming delicious notifications.